Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary, and today we're going to do two unboxings. We are doing the Boxycharm regular base box and the Boxycharm premium. So if that's something you'd like to see, stick around. Okay, so we're doing this one first. I'm not sure which one it is, if it's premium or, oh, it's premium. Okay. I know there's a lot of controversy going around right now with Boxycharm, but I mean, I've never had any trouble with them, so let's get on into it. First thing we got is that 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. Sorry. So, here it is. Let's see. Okay. It retails for $100. Says helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. I definitely need that. I've got some pretty bad dry skin, like right in here. Okay, next we have body butter. It's a guava body butter. It retails for $32. So, I mean, that's a really good size. This rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our shea butter moisturizes is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. It's got a safety seal on it, too. Next, we have Hourglass Lighting Blush. I don't really wear blush because I've got like red cheeks. We'll see. Oh, that's pretty. It's a really light color. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. Okay, next we have, well, it might help if I read about the Hourglass. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color. It retails for $40. Okay. Next we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. It's so cute. Look at it. Love it. It's just like, I've got a lot of their stuff and I really like it. Let's see what it says about that. Immerse skin into a hydrating mist so ultra fine and delicate. It envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 80% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. It retails for $82. Next, we have Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. What's this? Prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth skin appearance. Okay. And last we have the Carity, I think is how you say it. It's an eyeshadow palette. This is what I chose for the premium box. Ready? Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh. It's so gorgeous. Let's just do a couple swatches. And this is just a few of them, but oh my goodness, the pigment on that. Let's see. Spice up your life. We've hand selected 21 perfectly pigmented shades in multiple finishes that are as warm as summer night, packed with hot, fiery shades sure to create endless looks, perfect for day to night. Retails for $29. So I mean, that is a pretty good box. I got variation 22 with it. So to recap, we got an amazing eyeshadow palette, a body butter, a watermelon glow ultra fine mist, which is so cute, the moisturizer, the blush, and the primer. So I say that was a really good premium box. I am so sorry about that. My camera messed up. So part 2 of the unboxing, we have the base box. So let's see what's in it. Okay. Out. Okay, this one did not come with one, so we'll just go over it. First we have Coconut Setting Powder by Ciate London. Sorry. Next we have Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. So that's a primer in both of my boxes. Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Ooh, I like that. And there's a seal on it. First Aid Beauty. That's a really good brand. And we've gotten 3 makeup brushes. Ooh, they're really soft. Alamar. We've gotten a couple things from them. We got an eyeshadow palette and a lip gloss, I'm thinking. Okay. And last but not least, we got the Iconic London eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous. Sorry if I'm blinding you. 20 high pigmented pink, peach, bronze, and gold shades. Okay, we'll do a couple. Ooh, that Wonderland one. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to get into this one. Peach Fuzz. Girl Boss. Closing Party. VIP Vibes. And we'll do Copper Me Fancy. Ooh. I really hope, like, how pretty this is coming off on camera. Because that palette is gorgeous. So that's 2 really great palettes in my boxes this month. So let's do a recap of what came in the base box. We've got the 3-piece Alamar brush set, a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, and a brightening brush. And they're really soft, so I'm excited to use those. We've got the coconut setting powder. We've got the facial radiance pads. The 4-in-1 correcting primer by Pure. And the Iconic London, right? Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. So all in all, these 2 boxes, pretty amazing this month, if I do say so myself. So what do you guys think? So the base box is $25 and the premium box is $35. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think you're getting your money's worth? Go ahead and comment down below if you'd like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be posting hopefully quite a bit. But that's all I've got today. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. And hopefully I'll see you again soon.